Yeah! What is up, Epic Gamers? In an age defined by consumerism, we tell you what to consume here at Epic Blade Review. Today, I am Blade Master Greg, #1 in ninjutsu and reviewing blades. Today we're doing something super special. Master Alec Hakibuki-san, can we get 60 seconds on the clock? Thank you. All right, let's get into it. Go! Today we got something special. Ready? Assassin Dagger. Look at this bad boy. Freaking cool, Epic Gamers. Look at this sheath. Garbage, don't need it. Look at that. Super concealable. Super stabbable kick. Let's get into the challenges. Stab test. 5 out of 10. Let's get that in slow motion. Test B, defense from an incoming projectile. Test 4, using it as a projectile. Wait, Chop, stop this review. On that last throw, we got a broken blade. You know what that means? Fail. Say it with me, gamers. Epic trash. Let's review. Stab test, big ouchie out of 10. Projectile defense test, 10 out of 10. Projectile attack test, epic fail out of 10. We all know what you're asking. Does this get the Blade Master Greg Epic Blade Review seal of approval? No. Epic trash. Be sure to punch like, kick subscribe, and flying back kick to our Patreon. Check it out, link in description. Till next time, stay deadly.